Oh my gosh guys, parusa. What's up guys, Jam here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Kajammers family. If you're not part of that family yet, just make sure you click that link down below so you guys can join the group nandyan sa baba yan. At kung bago ka dito, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para update ka sa lahat mga videos i-upload ko in the future. Gusto mo yun? Para sa vlog nito, I'm gonna show you guys how I actually embraced the first 3 days of my fitness life in the gym. So if you guys want to see more of those, please watch until the end. So yun nga, I started hitting the gym and I decided to get back to my active life once again. Kasi alam mo naman, as I told you before, hindi masyadong healthy ang aking state ngayon sa aking pangatawan. Gusto niyo yun? And by the way, if you don't know the objective of this channel yet, please check out the intro video that I uploaded yesterday. So I kind of enrolled to a gym called Anytime Fitness. And guys, I am so happy that I did because everything that I need in my fitness life is there. Number one, I can go there any hour, at any day, and even when I go abroad, there's Anytime Fitness there, so there's no problem. Number two, they have so many things there that I can do, not just weights, not just cardio, not just the drills, but we also have yoga, we also have dance classes, we also have boxing and everything that you need. So I specifically go to the Lightball branch somewhere in Bonnie and I so love it there. Everyone's very friendly and accommodating. But anyways, tama na sa chika and sa intro. Here are the things that happened to me in the gym for my first 3 days of fitness life. So ano pang hinintay natin? Let's start watching. Let's go! Okay guys, so it's my first day. I don't know what will happen, but yeah, this is the start of my journey. Okay, ito magdidikta ng aking kapalaran. Grabe results ko, oh. Nakakatakot. Nakalagay dyan, excessive fat. I know, right? Finally, I have my gym buddy. Hi, babe! Yun, magpupuyat kami sa gym. Nakaupo lang.
Ngayon pa. How are you?
Oh my gosh guys, parusa. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Pero sa ng pakiramdam, I swear. I'll just, dress up, go home, and rest. Bye. Hey guys, it's day 2 of my gym day. And nagka-cardio muna ako, mama, I'm gonna try out there Zumba or dance classes. So yeah, stay tuned. Warm up muna tayo. Oh, hey! Hi guys, so type nag-gym tayo that we're having fun also. Dapat, di ba pag gym hindi ka mukhang haggard ka, kailangan pila is life pa rin. At gagawa tayo ng challenge dito. I'm gonna use my DYS on the shade of brown at magkikilay tayo habang nagka-treadmill. Disclaimer po, hindi ako magaling. Diba? Okay siya. Ito na nga, napaka-demanding. 1.5 naman. Ikaw lang, ang hirap yung kilay. And there you go. Ayun na po ang aking kilay. Okay ba? In fairness.
Yes! Kilay pa mo. Kilay is life.
Oo, kasi para kung tanga kanina. So yun nga, yun yung 3 araw na nangyari sa akin. Alam kong medyo nakakatawa at alam kong medyo may konting progress, but I'm very proud na may 2 pounds lang nawala sa system ko. And I'm excited to do more. So you'll get to see more of these weekly. And man, I'm so excited to hit the gym again to make more contents for you guys. Di ba nakaka-inspire ganon? But anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also again, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para update ka sa mga bagong videos that I will upload in the future. And please don't forget to share this to all your friends. Let's all get inspired together. And yeah, thank you so much and I'll see you guys on the next shopping session. Only your Jams Vlogs. Bye!